The Greenhouse Challenge, a balancing act. Greenhouses are vital for year-round food production. They offer a controlled environment, shielding crops from harsh weather. But managing them is tricky. Temperature, humidity, and light must be just right. Traditional methods rely on manual adjustments and timers. This is inefficient and prone to human error. Too much heat can scorch plants. Too little light can stunt growth. It's a delicate balancing act. Imagine a technology that could constantly monitor the environment. Picture a system that could adjust conditions in real time, responding to the plant's needs. This is the promise of AI climate control.
AI climate control uses sensors and intelligent algorithms to optimize growing conditions. Sensors collect data on temperature, humidity, light, and even soil conditions. This data is fed into an AI system. The AI system analyzes the data and makes precise adjustments. It might open vents to cool the greenhouse. It could activate irrigation systems to provide water. All this happens automatically, 24/7. This level of control brings significant benefits. It reduces waste by optimizing resource use. It increases yields by providing ideal growing conditions. And it minimizes the risk of crop failure.
The impact of AI climate control is already being felt. Take the example of Iron Ox, a company using robotics and AI in its greenhouses. They've reported a 30% increase in yields compared to traditional methods.
Another company, Plenty, uses vertical farming with AI climate control. Their system uses 95% less water than traditional agriculture. They've also achieved yields up to 350 times higher than conventional farming.
These examples demonstrate the power of AI to transform greenhouse agriculture. Increased efficiency, reduced waste, and higher yields are just the beginning.
Section 4. Beyond Greenhouses AI on the Farm. The applications of AI in agriculture go far beyond greenhouse. Imagine drones equipped with AI that can survey vast fields, identifying pests and diseases early on. AI-powered systems could analyze soil data to optimize fertilizer use, reducing runoff and environmental impact. Autonomous tractors could work day and night, improving efficiency and reducing labor costs. The potential is vast. By embracing AI, we can move towards a future of sustainable and efficient agriculture capable of feeding a growing population. Section 5. A call to cultivate innovation. AI climate control is revolutionizing greenhouses and holds immense promise for the future of agriculture. It's time to embrace these technologies. Governments should invest in research and support farmers in adopting these systems. Universities and research institutions must continue to innovate and develop new AI-powered solutions. The future of our food system depends on our willingness to embrace the transformative power of technology. Let's cultivate a future where agriculture is both productive and sustainable.